Good morning, teacher. Today we are going to explain about the ESL Chan website. Okay, this website it is an application for listening and reading to improve reading, comprehension, and develop listening ability. It also serves to learn the correct pronunciation of the word. This page contains like to those important ESL sheets to practice, and also this app have a collection of online listening practice exercise. Okay, first, do you need to go to the Google and write in the research round channel. You can that click and go home this website. This website, you can see this divide for levels of study. First for beginners, then for intermediate learners, and also have the popular cities and are divided in some topics to read and listening the correct order according to the text. Next, you can select your level and click any topic you can learn. For example, I can choose my English level 2. Then you can click, and then you have some topics. Do you have 100 topics you read? First, I'm going to select coffee on a cold night and click. Okay, also you can see the text of the Roman chant. It is for ESL, and you can play the audio and read at the same time to know the pronunciation on each word. For example, it was a cold night. The moon was bright and round. Also, you can respect the point, or then you can increase the audio. For example, okay, or decrease the audio. Also, you can see the imaging according to the text, and this is connect for Google Translate or Google Images according to the word you don't understand. Also, you can read and highlight the word yellow. Also, you can another you can have some activities according to this audio. For example, the vocabulary of some word. For example, be. I don't know what is the word be. I can click and it's connected to Cambridge Dictionary, and be and you can see is a set of product contains. For example, I can see the images and the text. Also, you can have some activities for the clothes. This activity is this activity you can complete if you can okay. You can click in you have the option of vocabulary to complete the sentences with the correct grammatical structure, and you can remember your comprehension about the text, and you can missing word in each box. For example, I can remember that it's a moon. The moon was bring what the moon was. The correct word is was. Also, first do you read, have to concentrate, and then you can go through these activities. You remember what word is correct. And also, when you finish or you complete this box, okay, you can check the information, and you can review what is the correct mistakes, what do you do, and what is the correct. Okay. Then you have some activities for sentences. In this part, you can have to complete the correct. You can put in the correct order to the sentences. For example, the moon was green and brown. You can check and this is sorry trying on and again, and you can complete the correct structure grammatical. Then finally, you can have the dictation activities. This activity you can have the audio. Please wait a minute to connect with the internet. Okay, then you can listening the audio. Okay, I can repeat. I can listen. Was brown, bright. Okay, and you can find and check. Okay, this is correct. Okay, do you have five sentences to complete with the correct audio? This is the activity for dictation. Okay, this is website very interesting to learn the and to comprehend the text. Okay, goodbye. See you.